Hi, I'm Derek from Southfield and we are the UK distributor of this new piece of equipment which is called MiSCREEN. It's ideal for making your own digital screens for screen printing. And basically what we do is we take any image that we've got and we drop it into a little piece of software here, which allows us to manipulate the image that we have, and then we print out a digital screen. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click to a screen viewer so that you can see how we alter and manipulate the software, so that the artwork, and just how easy it is for a retailer to produce quick and easy screens. And what you end up is a little frame with a digital screen inside it that customers can take home with them and use for screen printing at home. Or alternatively, you can do it in store and make some printed items, because it's just so quick and easy. So I'll pause the video for a minute and then we'll come right back and we'll show you on the screen what we're doing. In the computer, and we're doing a screen view. And you can see here down on the column down here, I've got a little image that's a JPEG of a butterfly. And this is the image on the right hand side of the screen. And you can look at this image and it's got lots of grey areas around the edge of the image. So it's been an image that's been splashed around to create the butterfly. We've taken a photograph of it and then it's got all these little grey bits. So basically I come back to my file and I just drag it up and drop it into the little printer driver software. I can then rotate it and very quickly I can scale to fit, and this just blows it out to the right width, because this complete area of this screen is the area that we can create our digital screen from. And this size will be 300 millimeters long by 210 millimeters wide. Ideal for the front of a t-shirt or a shopping bag. That's what we're going to print today. Now what I want to do is I just want to increase this image a little bit bigger, and I can just blow it up a little bit further, maybe move it over a wee touch, and that's me now got it. I'm going to actually drag it down just a little bit so that when I print it out it'll come at the bottom of my screen. And once I've done that, I then just go to print. And what it does is it sends this image to the digital screen maker, and we'll go back to video now and you'll be able to see that image. Hi, so you join me back live, and what I've now got is I've got my frame. This is an acrylic frame that we're using, and I've got my screen stretched into it. It's held in with double-sided tape. And we've sent the image, the butterfly image, to the small printmaker. And all we do is we insert this frame into the printmaker, and then I just hold it down. What happens is this screen is moving across a thermal head that's burning holes into the master material, and this will give us our screen that we can then screen print from. It does it at 400 by 200 dpi, so you get quite a good resolution, and it's ideal for recreating images like we see here. We're almost done now, and when it gets to the end it just stops. We just lift this out, and I'm not sure if you'll get to see it or not, but you can see here that the image has been made on the screen and burnt away the coating, so that when we put ink on this it will be able to print the butterfly. So what I'm going to do now is I'll stop the camera again, we'll turn it around so that we can actually print the bag and you can see everything that's going on. So I've taken our image with our butterfly on our frame and I've just put it into a small print press, but you could equally just lay this down right on the ground or onto a table and print on top of it. I'm going to use some plastisol ink, but again you can use water-based ink or acrylics, any type of ink at all with these screens. So we've slapped down our ink. I'm just going to take a squeegee and just simply one pull across the screen, and then we should have our printed bag. Just lift this up and we now have a shopper bag printed with our design on it, which is quite nice. Now this ink will need to be cured, but if you use water-based ink you just need to lay to dry So that's the MiSCREEN and how it works.